The previous lesson was the last regarding SVG theory, and we are starting the creation of project for our future editor. First, let's go to the official Node.js web page and install the last stable version. After you install it, accepting the installation recommendations, go to terminal and type node -v and check that first of all Node is working, and second of all you have the latest stable version. Next, what you have to install is Angular command line interface, which will help us to create Angular project using command line. To install it, just go to cli.angular.io, copy the command npm install -g angular CLI, Angular CLI -g, it means you will install this package globally. And after it will be installed, we will proceed and we will create the Angular project. If you have some error regarding access, just get the admin rights and run the same command, like for macOS run as an administrator. I just add before the command sudo word, and I will type my password. And now it is successfully installed.